Hi and welcome back to the channel. This is Cornbread, and today we are going to take this 10-foot piece of PCB pipe. It's 2-inch, and as you can see I have the ends, and we're going to make some canopy weights. Okay, the first step I'm going to do is take my tape measure, and I'm going to measure 2.5 feet each on each red mark there. Then I'm going to take that saw and I'm going to cut them off at 2.5 feet each. Sure be a lot easier if I had a workbench, but I don't. So we're going to do it right on the pavement here. Got it lined up. That's one, and we've got 3 to go. All right, now we've got 4 2.5 2-inch pieces of PVC pipe right there. All right, now I'm gonna take these pipes here and I'm gonna sand around them a little bit there. Kind of rough them up just so that primer and that glue stick. They do make some cleaner for this stuff, which works really well, but I'm not sure if I have it here. So I'm just going to rough them up a little bit here, like that. Take the inside of the cap, rough that up. Yep, that's good. I'll turn it upside down, do this one. Well, I might as well do them all, so go. Alrighty, I got them all roughed up. Now, got the end here, like that. Got the cap here, like that. And what we're going to do is take some primer, right there. And I have some glue right there too. And we are going to prime them. Oh, if I can get that open. Okay, we got it. You just take your little brush here, comes with it, put some primer around there, like that. Get a little on the end. Okay, and set that off to the side there. Take a little more, put her in the cap. That. Just like that. So we're going to do all 8 of these and all 4 of the pipes. Alrighty, I got them all primed. Like that. Oh, the flies. Flies here are just terrible here in Louisiana. Okay, we got primed there. Got primed there. Going to take our glue here. Like this. Oh boy, get that out of there. Run it around there, a nice bead of nice glue right there. Doesn't really matter what it looks like because it's going to get covered up anyway. So take that cap, a nice bead of glue all the way down. Just like that. Right, we got them glued. Put it around there. Give it a little twist like that. And when it stops, I don't think Superman could even pull that off. But we're just doing the one side. Don't do this side yet. Just do the one side. Okay. All right. Bottoms are on, the tops are not. Now we have, we got some sand here. So we got to figure out how to get that sand from point A into point B. Okay, I think I figured out a way to get that sand into the tube without making a huge mess. My wife, Honey Butter, she's gonna kill me because I'm using her measuring device cup, but look at that, it works like a charm. She'll never know until she watches the video. So I'm gonna fill these babies up with sand here. And I think I figured out about the total cost of this little venture, and it was like $46. So it wasn't too bad. Okay, so I'm just gonna take that and whoops. Now that one's full. Now what do? I'll tap it down. Tap it, tap it. Boy, came out just about perfect. Right there. And you can see that. I'm going to tap it down. Maybe I can get a little more in there, get some more weight on here. Oh yeah, I can get a little bit more in there. Okay, so I'm going to do that with all 4 of them right there. Alrighty, I've got all of my PVC here filled with sand, and I think I'll just take a little more and top that baby off. That, more sand the better. And it's going to tell you if you're tapping it, you know, just be careful not to tap it too hard so it breaks. Okay, so that baby's full. So you know what happens next. This is going to be a trick. I'm going to take the cap, whoops, and do that first. Okay, do these, of course, on all 4. Stuff is gooey. Oh yeah, that will be perfect. That will go right on there. Okay, and then you're going to take the cap, put her on there like that, twist it as you put it on, and there you have it. The complete canopy weight. Now, you ask, how am I going to attach that to the canopy? Well, that's where I differ from everybody else, and I'll show you that in a minute here when I get my canopy out. Maybe I can get my Honey Butter to help me get it out. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, as you can see, I've got my weight right there, my Velcro strips right there. It's a wrap strip that I got at the local hardware store. And all you have to do is put this up here like that. You can put it on either side, but make sure it's on one of those little pegs down there. Take your Velcro strips and wrap them around as tight as you can get them. And when you are done, it will look like that. Okay, you guys, I was just going to give you guys an example of how easy it is to put this on. You just put her up against there, make sure it's down there on the foot, right there. Take one of your strips, put it around there, try and pull it as tight as you can get it. There you go. Well, I'll tell you, it doesn't get any easier than this. I got it right on that little leg down there, and it's not going to go anyplace. You could tighten it up, but it's pretty tight. So you think the wind, that's 10 pounds. So you got 10 pounds here, and you got 10 there, 10 and 10. That's 40 pounds extra weight that wind can't toss around. You know, and when you're doing a show on any kind of hard surface, pavement, blacktop, whatever, you need something to hold your canopy down. Because if you don't, it'll just tip right up and over, and probably right next to the next vendor's display. So you don't want that. And this is a quick, easy way. You know, I mean, it's not going to stand up to a 50 to 60 mile an hour wind. Hardly anything does. but it's a quick, easy way to just weight it down, and just got to find the end. It's here someplace. Okay, there you go. There you have it. Just store these in the trunk or in your bus or whatever you have. And this is Cornbread. Hit that like button, and we will see you next time.